Hey guys, what's happening? So it's a low 40-degree day in the middle of January, and I'm going to talk about these pants that I have on. So let me run that intro and then we'll get into it. Alright guys, so I'm currently wearing the Duluth Trading Company Firehose flannel line cargo pants. Now, these are not motorcycle pants. They are cold weather pants. I had bought these for work. I'm a truck driver, but I work for an LTL. So I have to work the dock. In the middle of the winter, it gets mighty cold out there. So a couple guys at work have these pants, and they were telling me about them. And they told me how good they were, how warm they were. So I'm like, all right, I'll check it out. So right here, this place right here, 7 Stars Restaurant. I gotta tell you, some of the best food around. So anyway, they were telling me about these pants and how warm they were. So I decided to give them a try, because normally I would wear my uniform pants with Under Armour underneath, and if it got too cold, I'd put a sweatpants over top of everything to keep me warm. All right, so I bought them. They're normally $85. I got them on sale for $58, $59, I don't know what it was. So I got them and I started wearing them to work, and I gotta tell you, they work. Now, like I said, it's 43, 42 degrees out right now, and they feel pretty good. Buddy said, hey man, I use them on the bike too, so I figured I'd give them a try. So I figured I'd give them a try. What's going on, bro? So in my experience with these so far, I haven't had them long, but in my experience so far, I've worn them down to 26 degrees with a real feel of about 2021. 2021. So a real feel about 20 degrees, 21 degrees, which it was still comfortable, but it was pushing the edge of how low I can go with just these pants on. So I think if it gets any lower than that, I might have to throw a pair of long johns or throw a pair of Under Armour on underneath. But for anything above that, oh man, it's perfect. Now, these pants are a little heavier than most because they're flannel lined, but I really want to recommend them. With wearing Under Armour and my uniform pants, it's going to get a little personal now. I'd get some chafing in my butt area and my thighs, so the back of my thighs. I'd get chafing from, I guess from the way the Under Armour rubbed and the pants and everything else. With these, oh my God, it's so completely different. I don't have any chafing at all whatsoever. I'm very happy about that. And it's real soft inside. It's fleece lined. It feels like it's, well, it is fleece lined, but it's nice. It's a nice soft material against your skin. So I would highly recommend them. I will leave a link down below, and you can check them out if you want to. But like I said, they're Firehose fleece line cargo pants, and they work great. So if you want to check them out, man. It works out well. Alright guys, hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment on down below. And if you are subscribed, I really appreciate that. But if you're watching out there and you're not subscribed, why do I always have a problem with that word subscribed? Please feel free. I would love to have you on board. So, until next time, guys, stay safe and love one another. Peace.